All right, we back once again. Hit the subscribe button. We just found I just found, and I was just like, I'm gonna do an indicator review video. I just wanted to do a quick YouTube, and I came across this first thing. It was under the community scripts. I check this, every few days or so just to see if there's any new things trending and that kind of stuff. This one was up there at the very top on the editor's pick under community scripts, and it's an Ichimoku, an alert system basically. So if you ever traded Ichimoku, you know that basically what you're looking for is all five of these signals to be either a breakout or a breakdown. And there's multiple types of trading systems within the Ichimoku, but the main one is basically you're trying to get all five of these to line up. Okay, so like for example on the daily with the dollar, you're basically in an uptrend. Okay. It's just basically giving you the status there. So what I really liked about this was not only is it the Ichimoku system, it's giving you support resistances, and it's basically telling you, without having to look at it too much, you can basically just scan it and look at that. Now I'm sure there's other ways there's probably scanners out there that do this kind of thing for you or whatever, but just for a Tradingview, just for like a free indicator out there, that's really cool. So I just wanted to go through a couple of, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of my lines here. Wanted to go through a couple of tickers and basically just see what we're seeing here with this Ichimoku. And you're basically seeing a pretty nice little downtrend here on SPY. I'm not gonna make a trade off of this because I usually don't trade Ichimoku anymore. I don't trade this anymore, but I might start if it's just going to be this easy, and all I got to do is just sit here and wait for a setup to show here, and basically just I can take a trade off of that. I might do that. So here's what I was looking at here with Amazon. I had this little head and shoulder here that was developing. Nvidia, I was kind of looking at Nvidia. The head and shoulder kind of broke down today, so that wasn't good. So you're basically, if you're trading Ichimoku, you're staying short most of this stuff. This is kind of weak. It's a little bit relatively strong. It hasn't broken that previous low. Like SPY hasn't broken the previous low, but Nvidia did, so it's kind of weak. So you'd want to be short Nvidia according to this. It tried to break down on earnings. They held it up probably just to kill options. My guess is that low breaks there. But yeah, definitely on the daily, all this stuff looks like pretty garbage. Some of this stuff, which is what I'm shorting. So here you go. Here's a Neo basically on the daily. It's showing it's all strong here. So this is interesting. I just wanted to kind of show this to you, and hopefully you like this indicator. If you're using Ichimoku, you easily switch over to this and make your life a little bit easier. So anyways, peace.